Welcome back to ScaleSpeedworks. My name's Mike. I picked this kit up the other day and I was pretty excited to build it. There's plenty of reviews out there on this kit. It's pretty cool. It comes with the snowmobile and, well, that's pretty much it. But as I was looking at this kit and I was looking at the background, it made me realize winter is coming. I got some plans for this kit. Again, I know this kit's old and it's really not that great, but I still have some plans because winter is coming. I am going to do a winter themed build. Winter is coming.